Imagine waking up, and instead of chasing clients, clients are messaging you, not because you begged, not because you spammed people, but because your personal brand did the work for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a personal brand that attracts AI clients automatically in 2026. Even if you're starting from zero. Fire CTA. Comment personal brand if you're serious about becoming visible online. I will be teaching you why personal branding changes everything. Most people think clients only care about skills. Wrong. Clients care about trust, and trust comes from visibility. When people constantly see your content, your ideas, your results, you stop looking like a random stranger. You start looking like an expert. Light bulb hook. Attention creates opportunity. This is what a personal brand really is. A personal brand is not just logos or aesthetics. It's the feeling people get when they see your content. Your brand is your message, your consistency, your perspective, your value. People follow clarity, not perfection. Step 1. Pick your position. The biggest mistake beginners make, trying to be known for everything. Instead, choose one clear positioning. Light bulb examples. AI for small businesses. AI for content creators. AI automation expert. AI YouTube strategist. Fire rule. If people can't describe what you do in one sentence, your brand is unclear. Fire CTA. Type niche if you understand this part. Step 2. Create content that builds trust. You don't need millions of followers. You need valuable content. Teach what you know. Document what you're learning. Show simple wins. Light bulb content ideas. Tutorials. AI tips. Client case studies. Mistakes to avoid. Before and after results. Every post becomes proof of expertise. Step 3. Use storytelling, the secret. Facts teach. Stories sell. Instead of saying, I build AI systems, say, a small business owner was losing customers because they couldn't reply fast enough until we automated their system. Light bulb result. Stories make people remember you. Fire CTA. Comment story if this changed your perspective. Step 4. Create a content system. Random posting creates random results. You need a system. Example weekly structure. Monday AI tip. Wednesday client result. Friday tutorial. Sunday personal insight. Consistency builds familiarity. Familiarity builds trust. Step 5. Turn attention into clients. This is where personal branding becomes income. Add simple calls to action in your content. Example. If you need help setting this up for your business, message me. Light bulb result. Your content becomes your salesperson. Why small audiences still win. You do not need a huge audience to make money. You need the right audience. 500 targeted followers can outperform 50,000 random ones. Light bulb hook. Relevance beats popularity. These are the biggest personal branding mistakes you can make. Avoid these mistakes. Copying everyone. Inconsistent posting. Sounding robotic. Trying to impress instead of help. Quitting too early. Authenticity stands out in an AI world. Advanced strategy. Become memorable. Want to know what separates average creators from unforgettable ones? Consistency in identity. Light bulb examples. Same tone. Same style. Same message. Recognizable thumbnails. Repetition creates recognition. Recognition creates authority. And this is the long game of personal branding. Personal branding is slow at first. Then suddenly, momentum compounds. One post gets attention, then another, then referrals. Then clients start coming automatically. Powerful ending. Your personal brand is more than content. It's your reputation, your digital identity, your opportunity magnet. So start now, even if it's messy, even if nobody watches yet. Because every big creator started invisible. Direct hit final call to action. Comment. Building. If you're serious about growing your personal brand this year. And subscribe, because next, I'll show you how to turn your audience into paying customers without sounding sleazy. Watch out for it. You don't want to miss this opportunity.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Just click this button right here, and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching.